right, so I wanted to record a video. Sorry, guys, as I get this ready. So goes out to compacted math, particularly cohort A, where I never got to show them how to do x and y intercepts when you have a y equals equation. We just did standard form equations. So basically, there's no difference except the way you solve for your x and y looks a little different. So let's start with the easier one. If I want to get the y-intercept this is number 20 on page 22. So if I want to get the y-intercept, I'm going to make x equal to 0. And when I make x equal to 0, I'm left with y equals a half times 0 is just 0. I'm just left with a -2. So I'm going to have a y-intercept as 0, -2. So that's super simple. So I'll have my first dot here. Now if I want to get my x-intercept, I'm going to make y equal to 0. And this is where things look a little strange. So now I'm left with 0 equals 0.5x minus 2. I'm going to solve for x, so I'm going to add 2 to both sides. I'm left with 2 equals 0.5x divided by 0.5, or a half. And a half goes into 2 4 times, so I'm left with x equals 4. So my coordinate, I would write it as 4, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So then my graph would look like that. Okay, so you could again always put any of these equations into Desmos and look at the intercept. Desmos in the classwork section of your Google Classroom, and you could see if you're doing it right that way. So I hope this helps you. When we get back in person, we'll do 14 and 16, which I believe we also skipped. But this should get you started. I know for the homework I sent you home with, I think 1 or 2 of them I asked you to use x and y intercepts with an equation. Looks like this. I think there was one like that. So again, I hope this video helps, and have a great weekend.